How to add phone number to Steam account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can add phone number to Steam account. For this, you can open the Steam app on your laptop or PC or head over to the Steam's official website. Make sure to sign into your account. Now, you want to click on this drop down where there is your username. Now, from this drop down, select the option of account details. Once you're here, scroll down and you will have the section of contact info. Here, click on the option of add a phone number. Now, the first thing you want to do here is select your country. Once you select your country code will also be given here. Now, simply enter your phone number and click on the next option. Here it says that you first have to verify your email. So go ahead and check your email. Now you will receive an email from Steam. In this email, click on the add phone number option. As you can see, it says email has been confirmed. Now you can head back, then click on the next option. Now an SMS code has been sent to the number you entered. Simply enter that code, then click on the next option. And with this, the phone number will be successfully added to your Steam account. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.